Hi, you are watching Farming Discover channel. Now we will show a video on how to make coconut hold more fruit. Watch till end, and if not subscribed our channel, subscribe now. Cleaning the base of coconut tree. First you have to clean the base of coconut tree and follow the steps. This will be helpful for coconut trees to hold more fruits. Is salt good for coconut trees? The salt is applied around the coconut tree about 1 meter diameter during the onset of rainy season. Salt application considered to be most effective and economical to increase copra weight or nut and copra yield. When and how to fertilize coconut trees. Regular manuring from the first year of planting is essential to achieve higher productivity. For coconut, 20 to 50 kg organic manure should be applied per palm per year with the onset of southwest monsoon when soil moisture content is high. Different forms of organic manures like compost, farmyard manure, fish meal, neem cake, groundnut cake, etc. could be made use for this purpose. Watering coconut tree or irrigation. Soil moisture very often limits coconut production in those areas where long spell of dry weather prevail or where the rainfall is scanty and ill distributed. So irrigate the palms during summer months in basins around the palm. The irrigation requirement varies according to the soil type and climatic condition. Generally, an adult palm requires 600 to 800 liters of water once in 4 to 7 days. Hence, when started, irrigation should be continued regularly and systematically. Drip irrigation is the best suited method of irrigation for coconut. It saves water, labor, and energy. How can I make my coconut tree grow faster? The trick to growing a coconut palm tree is to keep the coconut well watered during germination without letting it sit in overly wet soil. Water the coconut frequently, but make sure the container drains very well. We really hope that you have liked the video. Share the video with your friends, and if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Farming Discover.